friends, and happy Friday. I have a lot of things I gotta get done, and I'm gonna head out right now to do all those things. So let's get started.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah.
Hello guys, isn't it amazing what a little bit of makeup and some hair care can do to a look? Anyway, hi guys. So I took a shower, got myself dressed and ready. It's 1:30, exactly 1:30. And I think I have managed to get everything that I need inside my suitcase. Brian's is still unzipped for now because I don't want to put his jacket in there until the last minute, which is tomorrow morning. But I've definitely put all of my stuff in my suitcase, and I will explain to you guys how I'm going to work all this stuff right now. Alrighty, so basically this is my suitcase. This is everything that I am bringing in or on the cruise. This bag is my overnight bag for tomorrow night. It's got toiletries, jammies, our outfit for getting on the boat on Sunday, etc, etc, etc. This bag is our snacks. That bag is actually going to go inside of this bag when we are done with it Sunday morning. So the jammies and clothes and stuff that are in there right now, I won't have to take those with us because one, I'll be wearing them, and two, I don't need the jammies that are in there because I have another set of jammies in that suitcase. This bag was purposely put together for the overnight stay in Tampa tomorrow night at the hotel. So all of those snacks are going to fit so nicely inside of that bag. If they don't, Brian is actually carrying his tote bag with him, which is right there on the floor. So he will be carrying that bag with him, and that will actually house our snacks. So for the most part, for right now, I'll probably actually just put those snacks in his bag. That way he knows that he's going to be taking those. And then his toiletry bag can also fit inside of that tote bag, and then he can carry that into the hotel with us tomorrow night in Tampa. So I also, switched out my crossbody bag that I was going to use because about 2 weeks ago, I had ordered a new bag, and it's a Jujube bag. It's a Jujube diaper bag, actually, and I'm like loving diaper bags right now because they actually have so much space in there and so much room that I can just like hold everything and lug everything around. I gotta turn this fan on because even though it's nice outside and the windows are open, and let me check this text really quick. Alrighty, so what was it? Oh yes, so my bag, my Jujube bag. Loving it so much. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now because it's just so freaking cute. Let's talk about this bag. Let me just bring it in here and we'll just talk about it in here for just a few minutes. Actually, I'll do it in here because it's better light. Okay, so let me clear my bed really quick. I threw my blanket in the wash this morning as well. Okay, that's the other thing I gotta try to squeeze in is my blanket. Ooh, I know I'm such a baby. Okay, so this is the bag. This is my Jujube bag. This is a diaper bag. Absolutely love it. I love the strap on it. It's so big. It's so large. It's a perfect like crossbody. Inside of here, if you zip this open, it has a nice little pocket in here. Look, it actually comes with, you can actually, I probably like a bottle or something in here, keys, sunglasses, whatever. You could throw your phone in here. I have already like, today I kind of just put my phone in there for just a real quick, just to see if it fit. It fits perfectly. I have a little spot for my sunglasses. My umbrella is down here, and this is just something, you know, you can hook your keys on. It's got another little pocket right there for stuff. I have chapstick in here, which is perfect. And then over here, I have just some sunglass wipies and lens cleaners. And then I zip this up. This is so nice. Love, love, love this. And I love the black and white stripes. You guys, this bag is like, I love it. Anyway, so on each side too, it has a little zipper where you can like put things, and it's pretty deep on either side, but I probably won't choose to put anything in there just because it's on the side. Anyway, it's got nice handles so you can carry it too if you need to, but on the inside, okay, look at this. This has mesh pockets, which again, you know, for bottles and drinks or whatever, but I actually have this is all of my batteries and SD cards for my camera I have in here. I actually have over here on this side, which is a zip pocket. Let's see, what do I have in here? Oh, I got nothing in there. That's nice. I got nothing. And then right here is all of my other stuff that I have, and then another little pouch of things that I need. My book is in here, the book that I've been reading or that I want to read too while I'm on the cruise. And then this is where I'm housing all of our passports, driver's license, and all of our cash is going to go inside of there. And it fits so perfectly and safe right inside there. I can easily grab it when I need to. And then there's another pouch right here with a mesh pocket that I will actually probably carry water in. So it's super nice. I'm going to show you guys how well it sits on me as a crossbody. Okay, so this is what it looks like as a crossbody. It is so perfect. I absolutely love this bag. I'm so in love with it. I want to order more because they're just so cute, but I'm going to settle for this one for now. But I absolutely love it. You can actually tuck these inside here if you need to, just to keep them out of the way, or just leave them out like this. But I just love how long it is and the length of a crossbody. So it actually fits so perfectly, and I'm so in love with this bag. It is perfect. Yes, tell me what you guys think. It is so cute. And I'm so glad that it came in because I wanted to use it so bad. Alrighty, so that's my bag. I love this bag. I get so excited about like bags. Isn't that funny? I mean, some people get it, some people don't, but I love this bag. So I'm very, very happy about it. And diaper bags have been like on fleek for me. I'm so happy about them. Anywho, so that actually came into my old P.O. box. Guys, I haven't got my new P.O. box done yet, but I will probably as soon as I get back. Another thing I wanted to say is Miss Michelle Williams, thank you so much for sending me the card. I haven't opened it yet, but I will. And then I also wanted to take this time right now to say thank you so much for all of your kind words, thoughts, and prayers for my sister. She's definitely gonna have a long road ahead of her, a lot of decisions to make, and personal growth that she's gotta have to learn to deal with. And we're just hoping that, you know, she can get well. And we're all here to support her and love her and give her all of the encouragement that she needs. And I appreciate everybody for all of everything that you guys have done. And I appreciate the fact that you guys also understood that I was not going to vlog at all yesterday. I was actually on the phone with my mom very, very late Wednesday night talking. And also off and on all day yesterday as she was at the doctor and they were trying to evaluate and get some answers. So, and I think yesterday was a little bit of a breakthrough. I think that after yesterday, I think that she feels a little bit better. As I talked to my mom this morning, my sister is feeling a little bit better. She is at my mom and dad's house, and that's probably where she will remain for a little while until she can get her thoughts and her health and her life and herself back to well. So with that being said, guys, this is it. This is the last vlog until my cruise vlogs start popping up after we come back. So I will be off the grid. There will be no Instagram, there'll be no Facebook, there'll be nothing. So I can't post or share anything after 4 o'clock probably on Sunday. So until then, I won't be back until Sunday the 21st, and that's when I will probably start sharing or posting or whatever. But we also have to drive home from Tampa on that Sunday, so it might be Monday. I will probably not have a vlog up, because I actually thought I kind of wanted to do a little something different with all of the vlogs this time. So I'm hoping to be able to do all that. And if I can work on them while I'm on the ship, then I will. If not, then I'll have to do all that when I get home. But that's just all part of vlogging and sharing this stuff with you guys and sharing this adventure. And I'm super excited to share this adventure with you guys. I'm excited to share all the firsts and let you guys know what worked, what didn't work, what I like, what I don't like, etc., etc. And I just plan on having fun. I just plan on just enjoying this 7 days with Brian and enjoying our time together. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for supporting me, loving me, all your kind words, following me, subscribing to my channel, coming back every single day, and allowing me to share my stuff, my life with you. I totally appreciate that. I totally appreciate every single one of you guys. Until next time, I'm off on the high seas. I will see you guys on the 22nd. Bye.